Hi everybody, I'm Sommelier Jenna Burchell with DTG Recycle, and today we're sampling some of our delicious organics right here in Snohomish, Washington. DTG Organics is home to the infamous Dark Mulch, Clearview Red Mulch, and Organics Compost. And these are the three that we'll be tasting today. Diving right into the tasting of our Dark Mulch. Dark Mulch is made with local brush and stumps and created right here in our facility. It's aged to a beautiful, rich, dark color and is great for dressing beds, amending soil, and erosion control. It's giving oak, it's giving vanilla, it's giving brush and stumps and leaves and blackberry bushes. So it was giving me vanilla undertones, round, rich, super tanniny, also much like licking a garden bed. Next up, we have our Organics Garden Compost, produced right here in the Pacific Northwest from the trees in your backyard. First, I noted that it was giving food waste, food scraps, the food that you're not eating, in dirt. The first thing that I noted when tasting this organic is hamburgers, trees from your backyard, grass clippings. It's giving me also horse manure as well. Last up on our delicious organics panel, we have the infamous Clearview Red Mulch. I love the color. It's got a light, bright freshness to it. The smell is giving me pine, earth, and Douglas firs. This one's giving straight lumber. This is giving 2x4s in tasting notes and just straight up stumps. Thank you guys for coming along on this taste testing journey with me of 3 of our many high quality products that we offer at DTG Organics here in Snohomish and also on the peninsula in Kingston and Bremerton as well. Again, I'm Sommelier Jenna Burchell with DTG, signing off. See you next time. If you really thought I was drinking dirt, you're insane. April Fools.